Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what will you do with $100 billion. Let's spend Bill Gates money with Neil.fund. So this is a game, not real money unfortunately. And here we go. Spend Bill Gates money. Here you can open Neil.fund, games and other stuff. Neil.fund on your browser. So let's start by click spend Bill Gates money. As you can see, now we got $100 billion. So you have to spend it. For example, let's buy Big Mac, about 1,000 Big Mac. Oh, it's only and flip-flops. I think I wanna buy no and this is the lobster dinner Netflix, year of Netflix. Let's say about 15 year of Netflix. Then a Tesla we got. We will spend about 10 Tesla. Oh god. And McDonald's franchise we got about 500 McDonald's franchise. And mention here 100 mention. Whoa, how about 10,000 mention? And let's say this is the total that we spent: 101 Big Mac, 50 years of Netflix, and Tesla, McDonald's franchise, Formula 1, and 100 mansion, and cruise ship. How about 10? Oh god. So we cannot spend Bill Gates money. So feel free to try to spend Bill Gates money with your needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.